Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Get ready for some exciting news in the world of Bitcoin. Today, we're thrilled to share that MicroStrategy, the well-known Bitcoin advocate and holder, has a formidable challenger in the race for dominance. Who could it be? Brace yourselves, because you're in for a surprise. But before we dive into the thrilling details, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with all the latest crypto insights, trade alerts, and portfolio updates. We're here to guide you through this exhilarating journey, especially during this accumulation phase, as we set ourselves up for an incredible bull market. Now, let's get right into the captivating news that's been making waves in the crypto community. It's all about the risk of the US government potentially defaulting on its mind-boggling debt. According to a report released by the US Congressional Budget Office, CBO, on May 12th, there's a significant risk looming. The US government is rapidly approaching its statutory debt limit of a whopping $31.04 trillion, which it reached on January 19th. If the debt limit remains unchanged, the US government could find itself in hot water as early as June. But here's the thing. In my humble opinion, the US will never default on its debt. Throughout history, countries have rarely resorted to defaulting. Instead, they tend to choose the path of inflation, attempting to inflate their way out of the debt burden. And that's precisely what the US is likely to do. Brace yourself for a continuous cycle of inflation, which means that elusive 2 inflation target that Yellen mentioned. Well, good luck ever seeing that happen in your lifetime. The US debt will continue to skyrocket and inflation will soar along with it. Now, let's talk about the dangers surrounding the US dollar and its position as the world's reserve currency. Here's an interesting thought. I believe that all central banks are colluding with each other. It's just my personal opinion, but I genuinely think they're playing a grand game with the entire world. The US dollar's supremacy is being challenged by various factors, including other countries aligning against it. Asia, particularly China and Russia, along with 41 other nations, are breaking ranks and engaging in trade settlements outside of the US dollar. This is a significant development that shouldn't be ignored. The shift away from the US dollar is gaining momentum, and it's no surprise. Many countries are looking for alternatives, and who can blame them? The world is evolving, and a new type of currency may soon emerge. Unfortunately, I can't share the specifics on this channel, as it may lead to shadow banning. But mark my words, the situation is only going to worsen and more countries will turn against the US dollar. We may witness a shift toward country-to-country-based currencies sooner than we think. Now, let's switch gears and talk about an interesting player in the Bitcoin market, Tether. They have been quietly buying up a significant amount of Bitcoin. In fact, in the first quarter of this year alone, they accumulated around 52,670 Bitcoin. That's no small feat. If they maintain this pace, they could potentially outpace MicroStrategy by the end of 2020, with a projected 200,000 coins per year. MicroStrategy, consider yourself challenged. But here's the thing. Regardless of the competition between MicroStrategy and Tether, what truly matters is the longevity and significance of Bitcoin itself. I've been involved in this space for a considerable amount of time, and let me tell you, Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin's value lies in its unique characteristics. With a limited supply of 21 million coins, it's a non-elastic asset that holds immense potential. It's decentralized, open source, and permissionless, which means it operates outside the control of any single entity or government. These fundamental attributes make Bitcoin an incredibly resilient and revolutionary form of digital currency. While the battles between companies like MicroStrategy and Tether may capture headlines, the bigger picture is that Bitcoin transcends these individual entities. It's a global phenomenon, with its adoption rate still at a mere 0.125. If you're just stepping into the world of Bitcoin now, rest assured that you are still incredibly early to the party. Now, let's turn our attention to an insightful tweet by Jameson Lopp, a prominent figure in the crypto space. He highlights the fact that approximately 28 million Bitcoin addresses hold at least $10 worth of Satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. Considering that many individuals own multiple addresses, it's estimated that fewer than 10 million people genuinely own Bitcoin. This number may seem small, but it signifies the tremendous growth potential that lies ahead. In the midst of all the financial drama, let's not forget to inject a bit of humor into the mix. There's some entertaining drama unfolding on Twitter with G's Binance, the CEO of Binance, recently unfollowing Elon Musk. Kids will be kids, right? It's a reminder that even in the crypto world, there's room for playful banter and unexpected twists. In conclusion, my friends, stay informed, stay engaged, and most importantly, stay confident in the power of Bitcoin. The competition between MicroStrategy and Tether is just a small part of the grander narrative. As the world evolves and traditional financial systems face challenges, Bitcoin stands tall as a beacon of hope and financial freedom. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to have a fantastic day ahead. Until next time, take care and bye for now.